Ethereum value equivalent to $3.3093 a coin. The present exchange cost range $3.8631 $3.905061. The earlier day close $3.89197. The change was plus 38.96 plus 1,000%. Opposite rate Os to F. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for June 2024. In the first place, costed 145 coins. Exorbitant cost 157, while low 136. The found the middle value of cost 146. The Os to ETH gauge toward the month's end 146. Change for June 27%. Os to ETH expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 146 coins. Exorbitant cost 146, while low 122. The found the middle value of cost 136. The Os to ETH gauge toward the month's end 130. Change for July 11%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for August 2024. To start with, cost at 130 coins. Exorbitant costs 130, while lows to 108. The found the middle value of cost 21. The Os to ETH estimate toward the month's end 115. Change for August 11.5%. Os to ETH expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 115 coins. Excessive costs 115, while lows on 99. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 109. The Os to ETH figure toward the month's ends 106. Change for September 7.8%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 106 coins. Excessive costs 112, while lows on 98. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 105. The Os to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 105, change for October 29%. Os to ETH expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 105 coins. Excessive costs 109, while lows were 95. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 103. The Os to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends 102, change for November 29%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 102 coins. Excessive costs 108, while lows were 94. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 101. The Os to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends 101, change for December 10%. Os to ETH expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 101 coins. Excessive costs 105, while lows on 91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 99. The Os to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 098, change for January 3%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 098 coins. Exorbitant costs on 5, while lows on 91. The found the middle value of cost on 98. The Os to ETH estimate toward the month's end 097, change for February 1%. Os to ETH expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 097 coins. Exorbitant costs 102, while lows on 89. The found the middle value of cost 96. The Os to ETH estimate toward the month's end 095, change for spring 1%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 095 coins. Excessive costs 095, while lows are 78. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 88. The Os to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends in 83, change for April 12.6%. Os to ETH expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 083 coins. Excessive costs 289, while lows are 77. The arrived at the midpoint of costs in 83. The Os to ETH figure toward the month's ends 82, change for May 2%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 082 coins. Excessive costs on 82, while lows in 66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 75. The Os to ETH figure toward the month's ends 71, change for June 13.4%. Os to ETH expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 071 coins. Exorbitant costs on 75, while lows on 65. The found the middle value of cost 70. The Os to ETH gauge toward the month's end 70, change for July 14%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for August 2025. To start with, cost at 070 coins. Exorbitant costs on 89, while lows on 70. The found the middle value of cost 78. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.83, change for August 18.6%. US to ETH expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.83 coins. Excessive costs 83, while lows on 67. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 76. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end 72, change for September 13%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.72 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 90, while lows on 72. They found the middle value of cost in 80. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.84, change for October 16.7%. US to ETH expectation for November 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.84 coins. Excessive costs are 97, while lows on 84. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 89. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.91, change for November 8.3%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.91 coins. Excessive costs are 91, while lows on 73. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 83. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.78, change for December 14.3%. As to ETH expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant costs on 100, while lows on 78. They found the middle value of cost on 87. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end on 93, change for January 19.2%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.93 coins. Exorbitant costs on 19, while lows on 93. They found the middle value of costs over 104. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 111, change for February 19.4%. US to ETH expectation for WARC 2026. First and foremost, cost at 111 coins. Exorbitant costs on 142, while lows to 111. They found the middle value of costs on 124. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 132, change for spring 18.9%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 132 coins. Exorbitant costs on 132, while lows on 110. They found the middle value of costs on 123. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 118's change for April 10.6%. US to ETH expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 118 coins. Exorbitant costs on 118, while lows are 101. They found the middle value of costs on 111. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 108, change for May 8.5%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for June 2026. First and foremost, cost at 108